morning, my dear students. Today we are starting the chapter 4 using a table of content under the unit 3, digital documentation. We have already done the chapter 1, applying styles in a document, chapter 2, adding graphics in a document, chapter 3, working with templates, and after chapter 3 we have done chapter 5, that is using mail merge. And today I am sending you the video of the chapter 4, that is using a table of content. Now, what is the table of content in this? What is the table of content? For example, when you are making some index in your notebook, then how you write? Firstly, you write the chapter name. After that, you write the subtopics. After that, you write the subtopics, and under a subtopics, you write the subtopics. Firstly, you write the chapter name, then topic name, then subtopics name. Then how you will write this in a table by using a table. So in this chapter we will read about this table of contents. By using this table of content, you can make your index more beautiful. It will feel very user friendly. You can easily change into it with your contents, and you can easily use it, and it will look more attractive for you. So let's come with me how we can use the table of the contents. Firstly, I am writing some lines in this document, and the subtopics, I am writing some topic names, then subtopics name in this. Then I will tell you how you can use this table of contents for making an index. Now you can see we have written some topic name unit 1, that is digital documentation, and then I have written the chapter names under this topic, digital documentation. There are 5 chapters. Chapter 1 is applying styles, chapter 2 is adding graphics, chapter 3 is working with templates, and chapter 4 is using a table of content, and chapter 5 is using a mail merge. And now how you can apply the styles, how you can apply creating a table of content. For making a table of content, there are the 3 methods. First method is using the inbuilt type. How you can use the inbuilt type? This is your heading 1, then chapter 1 is heading 2. You can make all these chapter 1 to chapter 5, that is you can place it under the heading 2, and you can also change it. You can change chapter 1 as a heading 2, chapter 2 as a heading 3, chapter 3 as a heading 4, like this also. How you can make this? For example, I have selected this main topic, that is unit 1 digital documentation, and then click on this home tab like this. Click on this home tab, then go to this style group and select this heading 1. This is heading 1. Next I have selected chapter 1 and I am putting it under the heading 2. Next is chapter 2. Again heading 2 के अंदर भी रख सकते हो if you want to put it under the heading 3, like this. Next chapter 3 like as a heading 4. By this method you can apply the table of contents. Your main headlines, your main topic will be shown in the bold letters. After that the font size will be decreased under the subtopics, like this. Second method is how you can apply the table of content particularly. I am undoing this. Now this is your original form. The second method to apply the table of content is place your cursor anywhere where you want to insert the table of content. Click on the reference tab, go to the table of content and go this automatic table 1 and automatic table 2. Okay, you can see the table of content is here. I have deleted this. Like this table of content, then unit 1, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. If you want to use the manual table option, then how you can use? Click on this, go to the table of content. Whenever you will click on the manual table options, you see the table of content like this. Type chapter title, type chapter title level 2, level 3, we can increase this level also. Suppose I want to put here unit 1 digital documentation. Control C करके I am copying this and I am, you can see there is a text box it is showing. You can paste it, table of content, like this. Like this I have pasted unit 1 as a digital documentation and chapter 1 as a blank style in the documentation. Level 2 पर मैं इसको copy कर रही हूँ, then I am pasting it here in this box. Control V. Chapter 2, ये chapter 1 है, इससे आप you can see that there is some movement from the left hand side, that is the chapter 2 is under the chapter 1. Then I am copying this chapter 3 and I am putting here, this is in the level 3, like this. Like this you can choose. Clear? You can increase these levels also. How you can increase these levels? For increasing the, for example, here is the level chapter 1 2 3 4 5 6. If you want to increase more levels, whatever the method to increasing this level is, it is showing the page number here. आप अपनी book के accordingly, whatever your documents, according to that you can change the page number here also. If you want to increase the level, then what is the method to increase that level? That is, you have to click on this table of content, then go to here, insert table of content. Then you can see this dialog box is shown here, that is the table of content, and it here we have selected this table of content tab and it is showing you heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, because I have selected the show level up to level 6. You can decrease and increase from this. Now it is showing the level 4, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3 and heading 4. If I am increasing, this heading 7 तक भी दिखा रहा है. And you can also change from here, that is showing the tab leaders. Tab leader is heading 1 के बाद you can see that there is a dot 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 to add, to attach your topic with the page numbers. Then you can use different type of formats from here, dot, slash, dot and dash and complete line. You can change the format also. Now you can see that the format is changed accordingly. You have selected the tab leaders. If you want to do these type of changes, then after doing the changes, click on the OK. And if you want to do more modifications, then what you have to do, if you want to customize the table of content, then what you will do, you will click on this modify button. Whenever you will click on this modify button, you will see this style pane, that is please select the appropriate style for your index or the table entries. Style means TOC means that is the table of content 1, table of content 2, 3, 4. Which table of content you can choose, uske accordingly you can see it is showing the indent, it is showing the left side spaces. After 5 point style is automatically updated hide until, you can see it is showing many styles here. आप जो भी स्टाइल चूज करना चाहते हो, आप जिस पे क्लिक करोगे, यू विल क्लिक ऑन विच टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट, यू कैन सी देयर स्टाइल हेयर. बॉडी कितने पॉइंट्स की होगी उसके अंदर, वट एवर यू विल राइट, उट्स फॉर्मेट साइज, उट्स फॉन्ट साइज विल बी 11 पॉइंट, लाइक दिस. इसके अकॉर्डिंगली वो इसके अंदर सारे चेंजेस दिखा रहा है. यू कैन चूज एनी स्टाइल, टॉप 3, टॉप 1. That is, space is after 5 point style is automatically update, hide until use, quick style, based on normal. These styles you can choose from here. These are for changing the styles of the table of content. If you want to do more modification, then click on this modify button. Whenever you will click on this modify button, you will see it's a modified style pane. Iska style name TOC1, style type is paragraph, या पैराग्राफ एंड करेक्टर्स, वट एवर यू, स्टाइल बेस्ड ऑन नॉर्मल या हेडिंग 1 का जो भी, वट एवर यू विल राइट इन टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स. तो इसका जो भी स्टाइल आएगा, जो हेडिंग 1 में फिक्स है वो स्टाइल आएगा. स्टाइल 1 चैप्टर वी हैव रेड इन द चैप्टर 1 एंड यू नो व्हाट इज स्टाइल. तो हेयर इट विल बी अप्लाइड टू ऑल द डॉक्यूमेंट्स in which you are making your index. Heading 1 style, heading 2 style, you can see the different style you can choose. Style for the following paragraph, you can choose the style for your paragraphs also. Formatting, you can change the formatting style here. Arial black, Times New Roman, like this. Font size, you can choose from here. It will be bold, italic and underline. What you want the formatting, what you want your font should look like this, your text should look. If you want the color that should be red, you can choose from here. It should be center align, right align, whatever you can choose from these type of the styles. By using this, you can modify your table of the content. And then if you want more changes, then click on this format tab further. अब फॉर्मेट आपने किसकी फॉर्मेटिंग करनी है, फ़ॉन्ट की, पैराग्राफ्स की, बॉर्डर की, लैंग्वेज, फ्रेम्स, यू कैन डू एनी चेंजेस. I have selected paragraph, then you can see the one more paragraph dialog box is opened here. Here you can choose the alignment of your paragraph, outline level. Here you use 3 levels, you can choose 5 6 level. Indentations, you can choose left right margin, like this, first line and hanging, anything you can choose. Spacing before and after, line spacing कितनी होगी, difference between one line and second line, you can choose multiple, single, 1.5 lines. By this, these all are changes you can do. Line and page break में अगर आपने changes करना चाहते हैं तो from this. So by this methods you can choose, you can do more and more modifications by clicking on the modify buttons, and all these modifications will be, you can see all these but you will have to click on OK button. After that, you can see the changes in your table of the content. This is the method to change in the table of content. Clearly, I think it is clear to you. Now if I didn't click on the OK button, so you cannot see all the changes in your table of content. When you will click on the OK buttons, after clicking the modify buttons, then you can see all changes. You can apply all that changes which you have made, in updating the tables, that you can all the see. You can see all the updation in your table of content. Now next is maintaining a table of content. How you can maintain a table of content. Some basic operations हम कैसे देख सकते हैं, how you can update your table. जैसे कि यहाँ पर ये दिखा रहा है update your tables. या तो आप यहाँ से क्लिक कर सकते हो, या आप यहाँ पर you can click on the reference tab, then you will go on the table of the content, and after that you can see that update table. The current document does not contain a table that can be updated automatically, because I didn't click on this updations. अभी हम click करते हैं updations पर. Insert table of content, level मैंने किया है, I have done the level 2. Modify table of content, it's okay. Then modify, then table of content. Font size I am changing Arial black, and it should be 16. Bold, italic, underline. And formatting, font I am changing the font Arial black, bold, italic, 16 I have already changed. Font color I am changing, that should be blue, Arial black. Then click on OK and OK. You can see जो भी मैंने selected था, you can see the changes in it here. Then you have to click update table. Okay, now you can see that there is updations, you can see here. If you want to delete a table of the content, then what will you do? Click on the table of the content, then you will go on the remove the table of the content. When you will remove the table of the content, you can find out your original document. This is all about the table of the content, how you can make the index in digital documentation, and how it will be more attractive, how you can make it more attractive and more beautiful by using the page numbers and the topics under, by using the subtopics under your topics and under your main theme. So it will look more it will look more attractive for you, these features. Now it's all about your unit 1, that is the digital documentation, and your this unit is finished. Now 2 units are left, unit 2 electronic spreadsheet and the unit 3, that is database management system. Now this is all about these 5 topics. After this, I am sending you some question answers related to digital documentation that you have to write down in your notebook, and it's compulsory for all. You are having Diwali breaks also, then you are having more time to complete your notebook, and send me your work on my WhatsApp group. Otherwise, I will not give you the internal assessments in your final exams. It's your board exams, and your 50 marks, you will get the 50 marks through practical. So it's compulsory for everyone to complete your notebook. Otherwise, I will not give the 50 marks to you. I will divide your 50 marks into 20, 20 and 10. 10 marks will be of your notebook. So complete your notebook and send me your work on my WhatsApp. uh, I will also share the question answer related to these unit. Okay, till then, thank you and have a nice day.